Hey everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. Happy December. So that means that November has come to an end, and that means that our contest, when we were giving away this 6-foot long smart pot, the long bed, so that contest is now done, and Dale went through and plugged in all the information he needed to on whatever app, I don't know what he used, but he used an app to randomly generate a winner, and that winner is, drumroll, Kendra Farr. So Kendra, please email us at info@seedtospoon.net and send us your address, and we will send this to you in the mail. Send us an email here within about 48 hours of this video being posted, and we will send that to you. If we don't hear anything, we will pick another winner. I hope you enjoy it. And for those of you that did not win, don't worry. I'm going to be announcing another giveaway here for the month of December as well. So I will be posting another video for that here shortly. So be watching out for that.